Good evening guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at ONDS stock. You can see this one as of Friday was down by 7.2%. Let's have a speak about that. Let's have a speak about everything that we saw over the course of last week. If you do enjoy the videos, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. But a few things standing out to me. Well, the first one is that we are coming very close to the levels of support that we have previously seen. Look at numbers such as 730 for the example, right? And this does coincide nicely with this downtrend actually beginning to slow. Look over Thursday, look over specifically Friday, right? This downtrend that we've seen be quite persistent is now somewhat slowing. This would again coincide with levels such as 730, 740 holding up as a potential support, so really do watch out for that into next week. Now again, coincidentally, RSI has briefly been in the oversold range recently. We're actually still just touching on that, so again, if we found the support and a reversal from here, it could of course help that trend to move upwards. Now levels to watch out for resistance, very simple here. 780 I'm looking at. I'm also looking at $8, $8.10 as well as potential resistance levels. If you move above that, I'm looking at that 860, 870 range for the next potential level, 890, 887, also potentially up to the $9 range. Now that is a little bit ambitious. Going forwards into next week, I want to see those low ends hold as a support, and again, I want to see that slow and steady consolidation upwards. That would put me in a very positive position, and I would be a lot more optimistic from there. If we begin to drop specifically below ranges such as the 725 range, below numbers especially such as 690, I do become a lot more bearish. That is just my personal thoughts and opinions. I think right now the next week could be interesting, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.